X, I hit my bro like, yo, what's good on the block? I ain't been there in a sec, I got that check. Do that shit in a minute and hit rock bottom again. Now I'm older, I don't eat chocolate, still them M&M's coming to me.
Yo everybody, what's going on? Today I'm finna show you how I can make them NEMZZZ Type Beats. So without any further, get right into it. So the sample I took from this movie, Untouchable, I chopped it up, slowed it down, and changed the tempo pretty much. Chopped it up the way I wanted the sample to play out, like how it is, but just on time on the BPM, you feel me? Because like at first it wasn't like really on BPM. So then I took the NEMZZZ acapella, 151 BPM, F minor though. So I went F minor, I went to Melodyne, I played the sample and it showed me the MIDI of the piano and I just pasted it in my sampler right here. This is how I detected the note, as you can see. So the scale right now is F minor natural and all the notes falls into the sample though. I put the shaper box on the sample. It's like the people talk. Without it, why I like this is basically the noise. Why do I add noise? Because the noise all over the nature, you feel me? If you know something about the sound design, people add noise all the time, you just don't really pay attention to it. And when the noise mixed with the reverb, that's crazy combo. This is what makes it human. Now I decided to drop the beat when the sample drops for real.
So this shit crazy.
Put your hand in the air if you ain't been broke in a minute.
I went ahead and took this bass from my stash, 2026 stash, finna drop soon. This bass is really dope. Shout out 10 Faces. He made it like himself. So boom, how I was doing the pattern though, I just was following the basic like 8/8 pattern like this. And following the bass notes and just deciding how to sauce it up in the moment though. Just to take some notes or just double it somewhere right here, you feel me?
Put your hand in the air if you ain't been broke in a minute. Now keep your hand in the air if you're trying to repent for sinning. Now my stack like Peter Griffin. Do that shit in a minute and hit rock bottom again. Now I'm older, I don't eat chocolate, still them M&M's coming to me though. Still trying to ball like I'm in the Premier League, like back when I mentioned.
And yeah, by the way, the trick I used to hit my bass this hard is just I put sidechain on the melody. I put sidechain like this, like sidechain to this track. This is why my bass hits hard, because of the SUS preset. Just copy this shit and turn on sidechain, go here, pick the sound and copy my shit. And also I did sidechain with limiter. And as you can see, the pattern looks a little bit fucked up. The pattern is like how many, like 48 bars long, but I like to do it because right here, as you can see, the notes changes and sometimes the samples be complex, and I like to keep the complexity inside the beat because it really creates the beat being not repetitive basically. And then just simple drums, like drums really simple. You just gotta have the good sound selection. So I found this like Jersey sexy drill kit, just downloaded this kit and picked three sounds right here. Just simple 1 2 3 sounds. Started off with this jerk bounce snare. Made this little like velocity change, then just the snare or clap. Made it a little bit quieter because it was like this. And then the stomps really like also important in the beats. I haven't even mixed them yet because I'm making the beat on the stream. So how you can mix it though? The same way I mix my melodies. Sidechain here and just sus it out with the fucking when the bass hits. Yeah, let me turn on the bass. Way better, you feel me? Without it, with it. Yo, you can even make him stereo, maybe a little reverb on him. Don't forget to like EQ the lows, because you don't really need them lows with the reverb. That's it, that's the main bounce for real. And this is the whole beat right there. Hold on.
Put your hand in the air if you ain't been broke in a minute. Now keep your hand in the air if you're trying to repent for sinning.
Oh yeah, also I added this like tom just to toss it up a little bit. Let me do this.
For sinning. Oh yeah, losing sleep.
And from there, this is just the bass. This already like sounds like an NEMZZZ beat, and from there you can add your shit, sauce it up however you want. You can add them fucking perks, or please don't, or whatever you want to add, and just create some new genres. Because creativity is not creating something from scratch, like completely, just taking something you already know, something rather hard, and combining them, and you got your own new thing.
I say how I feel, but I don't wanna overstep. I've been in the gym, was carrying weight on me, them times not.
And yeah, very important thing is the sample. It usually goes with like the vocal samples, but I went for this type of sample. This also emotion also matches the vibe of the track, of the visuals also. You feel me? This is how I sauced it up, you know, with changing the sample a little bit. He's spinning right here.
In a minute. Now keep your hand in the air if you're trying to repent for sinning. Feel, but I don't wanna overstep. I've been in the gym, was carrying weight on me, them times not counting reps. I ain't been there in a sec, I got that check. Now I'm older, I don't eat chocolate. Still them M&M's coming to me though. Still trying to ball like I'm in the Premier League. Like back when I mentioned Rico, mentioned.
Oh, hold on, let me do this. Let me try to turn on this fucking bass.
Feel, but I don't league like back when I mentioned Rico, mentioned Crib, got a turbo smoke outside, cause I don't wanna lose my depot.
You feel me?
Don't wanna lose my. Aye. Put your hand in the air if you ain't been broke in a minute. Now keep your.
So hey bro, appreciate y'all watching this video. Let's hear it from the start and be ready for the kids we finna drop. They're gonna be hard.